Shamai, we're going to take a look at this today, which is a concert ukulele made by TODO. So recently I was contacted by a company called TODO, I think that's how you pronounce it, or TODO, asking could I review one of their ukuleles. Now normally I get given a choice of ukes or told what model they're going to send me, and in this case they said, well, you choose, what do you fancy? And they've got a range, soprano, concert, tenor, and quite a wide range of value as well. And I said, well look, just send me a surprise concert. I didn't ask for a particular model, so I genuinely didn't know what I was going to be sent. And this showed up a couple of weeks ago, and it is a lovely looking ukulele. Now then, let me get this right. It's their TODO Atlantic Ocean 52 Hertz Whale Concert Ukulele. And there you are, you can actually see there is a whale bridge with the saddle on it and some nice decorative features on the front as well. And I'll quickly show you the unboxing of this just so you can see how it arrived. I don't know what ukulele's in this box. They said pick what one, and I said send me a surprise. So let's have a look what's inside the box. TODO ukulele. Feels like quite a nice quality case with a bit of padding. I don't know what is in here. Ooh, okay. It's a gloss finish. Let me pop this. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with the case, I've got to say. A gloss finish. Right, let me just check to see what model this is, because I haven't got a clue. Right, I've got my TODO Music website open, shopping, ukulele, beginners. As I said, I don't know, I just said send me a concert. Right, it's not in that list. Let's look at the intermediate ukuleles. Oh, there it is. Right. So I have got the TODO, or TODO, ukulele, the Atlantic Ocean, 52 Hertz Whale, all solid Acacia, which sells for €341.84. So yes, TODO has sent me this as a review instrument. I haven't been paid for this video. Obviously I've been sent the instrument, hence why I've put it down as a paid promotion. They haven't told me what to say, and I always say to companies, look, it's going to be my fair review, my opinion. If I have a particular issue with an instrument, I might email that company before I put the video out, but this is my opinion on this ukulele. So I'm going to say it again, the TODO Atlantic Ocean 52 Hertz Whale Concert Ukulele, and the official model number is the UTD W50C, okay, and there is a tenor version of this one available as well. Price, this got shipped from Germany, so it was €341, which translates to £294.96. So yeah, basically £295 UK. I don't know when it's going to be available in the UK yet, but I have popped a link to the TODO website in the description below. So it's certainly not what I would describe in the sort of starter or beginner range. It is sort of mid-price range. It does come with a gig bag, a case. Let me put that down. It has got shoulder straps. It's got a really nice comfy handle on it. It's got an accessory pocket on the front. It doesn't come with any other accessories. And I think it's down as 25mm. So yeah, it's got a little bit of padding in that. So let's have a little look at the specs and features before I do a sound demo. It's solid Acacia top, solid Acacia sides, and solid Acacia back. and it is a lovely looking instrument, especially with these design features. You've got a nice little star and moon instead of a rosette in a white shell, and then, as I think they're saying this is copyrighted, it is their whale feature, and it is a really nice looking bridge with a saddle on top. Another nice little design feature, it's got these stars on the front for markers and the actual logo on, and I am a sucker for a slotted headstock. The logo is nicely engraved or inlaid. That's not a sticker on there. And these are the sort of features that I would be expecting on a slightly more expensive ukulele. So as I said, it's got a solid acacia top, sides and back. It's got mahogany neck and headstock. It is a chunky headstock. What do I mean by that? Well, I've noticed whenever I'm putting a tuner on, the tuners are absolutely at full stretch. Nothing wrong with it. I've just noticed it's quite a chunky headstock, but I do like this headstock. The black really shows off the logo very nicely. So it's saying rosewood stroke walnut fingerboard or fretboard, and again it has been finished off very nicely, rounded ends on the frets, obviously fret markers, and some sort of binding going up the end of the fingerboard as well, which makes it really nice and smooth. There's an obvious colour join at the bottom on the heel of the neck, and I will point at this point we've got 2 strap buttons. It just makes it easier. If you don't have to use that one, but it means you don't have to add one. The bridge that I mentioned a minute ago is also marked down as rosewood/walnut, and it is a really nice little design on that. The saddle and the nut are marked down as oxbone, and the nut is a 35mm width. And I will add at this point, it's got a gorgeous gloss finish on it, and the neck is glossed as well. Some people love it, some people don't. Open silver and gold 18:1 ratio tuners. They work lovely. And I wasn't sure about the strings on this. It is just marked down as TODO carbon strings. And I'll talk a bit more about those in a minute. So to me, that is a really nice looking ukulele. I like a gloss finish, although I've got to say I've got a few fingerprints on this one at the minute. I really like the design with the moon and the stars and the whale. And as I said, there is a little story behind all of this as well. I really like the slotted headstock. It's chunky. I'm not finding any neck dive or anything with it at all. And yeah, it comes with a reasonably good case, but a really, really nice all-round looking ukulele. I quite like the sound of it. I think it's got quite a sweet sound, warm with the acacia. Obviously it's gloss as well. But I'm not getting a huge volume off it. And we've got to remember it is a concert as well. But I want to test this because I've gone and found the most comparable ukulele that I've got here. Why is it comparable? It's solid acacia as well. It's very old strings on here. This is a satin finish, but I don't know, maybe I am starting to crack up because side by side, the snail is possibly a little bit louder, but not that much. So I did talk about the strings when I was talking about the specs and features. They are marked down as TODO strings. I don't know, maybe putting a set of different strings on here might improve the overall volume and things. Yeah, it has got quite a nice sweet sound though. playability, yeah, it's got a nice feel to the instrument. Let me just check the action a minute. Yeah, I thought it felt quite nice. I would say that's somewhere between about 225 and 2.5 mil. So yeah, certainly acceptable within the action. You wouldn't need to go out and get this one set up straight away. And as I said, it is nice, and having these really rounded off edges on the fretboard makes a lovely difference as well. There is quite a nice sustain on it, but the more I'm playing it, the more I'm thinking I would change these strings, even just to see what a named brand would sound like. So that is what the TODO Atlantic Ocean 52 Hz Whale Concert Ukulele sounds like. Yeah, it is really nice to play, to be honest. And as I said earlier, I love the look of it. I am disappointed with the volume that it is producing. And I really will consider changing the strings on this too. So just under £300, you know, it's in the sort of same price bracket as the Umas, Flight, Carla. It's a nice uke, but I'm not sure, with not being a known brand, certainly here in the UK, whether or not it is going to stand up to that price. If it was electroacoustic, I think maybe yes, I'd be more happy with the value of it. As I said, I love the look of it. It's nice to play. I'd like it to be a little bit louder. I'm not convinced by the strings. That's a small thing. That's something you can change easy enough. But yeah, I would like it to be a little bit louder and maybe a little bit cheaper. So I do have to say a massive thank you though to TODO for sending me this ukulele to review. Yeah, it's been interesting. Really nice to look at a new brand. If you'd like to support me here on the channel, I have got a Patreon program, and I will drop a link in the description below for that. As always though, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.